Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research. Another video regarding adding thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. I was struggling a lot to add thumbnail in YouTube Shorts, and then I found a simple trick which you can also use and apply thumbnails to your YouTube Shorts. One important thing to remember, this feature is only available in Android phones. It does not appear in iPhones. I was initially trying with iPhone, but then I later realized that it only works for Android phones. So let's quickly go to my mobile screen. Open your YouTube app, click on the plus icon and go to create short folder. In this, add the video that you want to add to your YouTube Shorts. Just click here, add the video that you're looking for particular to add. Say next, done, complete, let it complete the processing, and then go click on the right symbol, click on next button and click here. If it, as you can see here, it has already taken the thumbnail, but if you want to change it, drag from here to any of the screen that you're looking for. So for example, I want this as thumbnail, you can just click here, or this as it shows, and that's how. Just click done, and once you are done with it, fill the rest of the details and say upload shorts. That's it. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with me. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.